Infinix Note Edge is now fully official. The phone 7.2 mm thick, 185 grams it weighs. It's powered by MediaTek. Recently announced a 100 SoC pad with 8 GB of RAM, 6.78 inch 0.5K resolution curved AMOLED screen with one refresh rate, 2800 Hz touch sampling rate, 1.7 mm best, 4500 nits peak brightness, and Gorilla 7i on top with dual JBL stereo speakers and 6500 mAh battery or 6150 mAh battery on the market. It promises 80% of initial capacity after 2000 charge cycles or 6 years of use. The phone charges are 45 watts for going from 0 to 162 minutes. It runs X16 based on Android 16 with 3 years of Android updates and 5 years of security. In the rear, you get a 50 megapixel main camera of inch sensor type, and a customer might activate Infinix Flex AI. It's IP65 certified for dust and splash. Starts from $200 and comes in Luna, Titanium, Silk Green, Stellar Blue, and Shadow Black color. Silk Green colorway comes with Infinix Urethane water brush texture, which company says draws inspiration from silk to create a leather-like silky smoothness. The other colors use high-strength composite material and high gem effects, produce layer premium meshes that shift elegantly with light.